the entire idea of how the team of doctors, team of midwives, team of pediatricians and physiotherapists, everyone come together to support the mother, to support deliver a happy, healthy baby.
They were very well laid out childbirth classes, midwifery and consultation, feedbacks, and any appointment is taken care by the hospital itself. It is as good as a family care that the hospital offers.
I was also told that we could use aromatherapy, we could use hydrotherapy, and we could use different forms of birthing. That's when I sat down with my doula to come up with the birth plan and birth preference.
We have no idea about midwife actually. So what is midwife and మనకి లేబర్లో ఏమేమి అవుతాయి, ఏం ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ చేయాలి, ఏం ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ చేస్తే మీ లేబర్ అనేది చాలా స్మూత్గా అయిపోతుందో, దే బోత్ టోల్డ్ వెరీ వెల్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
The main thing what I wanted to say is the ray of hope what I got from Fernandes has become the reality of my life today. All the moments they created for me, all these are not just moments, these are going to be a part and parcel of my best part of my life.
With the help of my team of midwives and my doula Celestina, I was able to own my pregnancy journey, my labor journey. If you want to have a lovely birth journey and a great birth story, I would encourage all of you to choose Fernandes Foundation.
I have attended all the childbirth classes that were recommended, and all the childbirth classes are helpful. They help you in getting to know about what food we can have, like what are the exercises that will help you in having natural delivery, and not only that, they'll teach you also about breastfeeding.
ఫైనల్లీ బేబీ బాయ్ పుట్టాడు. నా హస్బెండ్తో పాటు ఆ హ్యాపీనెస్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేయడం నాకు చాలా మంచిగా అనిపించింది. లాక్టేషన్ బేబీని ఎలా హోల్డ్ చేయాలి, ఎలా బ్రెస్ట్ ఫీడ్ చేయాలి, నేను ఎలాంటి ఫుడ్ తీసుకోవాలి అని కూడా సజెస్ట్ చేశారు. ఎవరు వచ్చినా కానీ విత్ స్మైల్తో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు.